Hello everyone, welcome to ollzo. Today I am going to review another beautiful plugin. But before starting the main review, I have a quick question for you. When you have a long link and you want to reduce the link, what do? Normally what I do, I search in Google with link shortener website, then went in any link shortener website, shorten my link. After that I try to use. But what if I show you another approach? With that approach, you can manage your link, you can shorten your link, you can get the insight, you can create your own shortened link with your own name, own credential, own website. I mean, the link shortener is now in your hand. So today we are going to talk about these pretty links. It's a link management, branding and tracking WordPress plugin, and I hope you are going to enjoy this review very much. So we'll start with the features of this plugin. What are the problem this plugin is going to solve? What are the advantages this plugin is going to give you? After that, we'll check the root of this plugin. We'll share some insight of the pricing. Then I will share some personal opinion. Finally, we'll go to the WP Hive for checking the plugin inside. So let's get started with the plugin review. First of all, this plugin has 300,000 active installation, so you can understand it's a huge popular plugin. So what are the advantages, what are the service this plugin is going to give you? Let's see. They already describe the features, give you the ability to create clean and simple URL. So what you can do, if you notice some popular YouTuber, they create their link with their own website, so you can do the same link plugin. At the same time, you can check all the insight, track the number of click per link, then you can check the number of unique clicks per link, you can check the report, you can download all the hits in CSV format. Also you can do many more. I am going to add this link in the description box. You can check details yourself if you need. Now let's see the rating of this plugin. 830 5-star installation. Yes, the plugin has some 4-star, 3-star, even 1-star rating, but if you notice, 5-star rating is the highest rating for the plugin, so you can trust this plugin, I guess. Now let's see the root of this plugin. Pretty link is the root of this plugin. This is their landing page. I think it's a quite simple landing page. The landing page has link with the pricing, FAQ and blog. Let's see their blog first. This is their blog, and their blog is quite enriched. So if you need some help, I hope their blog, Pretty Link's blog, is going to help you a lot. Now let's see the pricing of this plugin. So this plugin has 149 for the super affiliate. For the marketer it has 99, and for the beginner it's $79. So in my opinion, if you are a single user, if you are a starter, then I don't think this is the perfect plan for you. But if you are from a company, if you are from a team, if you are working together, then definitely this Pretty Link is it's a good choice, I guess. And the number of downloads, it's a huge number of downloads. So you see, the plugin has some workability, the plugin has some advantage, so people are downloading this plugin, right? If you are a single end user, in that case I don't recommend this beginner plan. But if you are from company, if you are from team, then definitely Pretty Links is a quite good choice for you. Alright, so let's move to the WP Hive for checking the insight. This plugin has total 4 million downloads so far, and support thread it's 7, active installation 300,000 already described. Growth rate of this plugin is 0.1%. In my personal opinion, it's not a good amount. Also it has a negative vibe that this plugin is not frequently updated according to WP Hive. Now overall quality, ease of use, quality of support, value of money, features, all are 5 according to WP Hive. Moving forward to the next, this plugin they update 4 months ago, and last week this plugin has 5,000 download. The plugin is 12 years old, so you can assure that I can assure that this plugin started when the WordPress even started, and the plugin has 897 rating on WordPress website. Alright, so this was the Pretty Link review from the ollzo. So if you want us to review your own plugin, don't forget to comment below so that we can review your own plugin. So that's all for today's video. If you have some question about any plugin, don't forget to comment below. Thank you.